welcome back to Big Sheely's Home Videos. You get the moon in the shot with the helicopter.
Obviously lasts longer than battery does, don't it?
Oh yeah, this one's a lot better than the 5 and below one. That moon looks crazy tonight. Get to the chopper. Welcome to Big Sheely's Home Videos. Like and subscribe for more of our content. Playing with a helicopter outside. There's the car. A second ago she had to go across the street getting it down. That thing was way up there. Willie Nelson. This thing flies so much better. Is that the helicopter that Rick Grimes was taken in? I don't know. Like and subscribe for more Big Sheely's Home Videos.